eBay. Okay. I've already really looked this up, so we're going to go ahead and check it out. The Roland Martin Helicopter Lure. This is something that I bought when I was a kid. I thought it was the coolest thing ever. So I'm going to buy it, and we're going to try to catch a fish with it, Easton and I, and see what happens. This looks like it's a 2-pack. Got chartreuse and orange. And we'll see what happens. Add to cart. This one's so old, it's got some mold growing in it. Classic. What do you think? You gonna catch fish on those?
Hopefully.
What color do you want?
Orange.
Sweet, because I wanted the chartreuse. Alright, at the first spot. Let's see what happens with the helicopter lure. Got her all rigged up. The barrel swivel there. The hook, a little lead weight in the back. And this is what it looks like. So we'll see. Oh. There we go on the helicopter lure.
I knew you were gonna be a fish.
There it is. First blow up, first fish. He smashed that thing too.
Yeah, I did.
Not a giant by any means, but pretty cool. You just put green pumpkin on it and it'll be fine.
Snap off?
Yep.
So the braid is weaker.
Yep. All right. Well, this video went from helicopter lure
To everything else.
to we're gonna do other stuff because I just lost the components for the helicopter lure, because if you, I don't know if you can see that, but it really twisted up the line.
Here, show them mine's up.
And that just got snapped off. So we are gonna go try other stuff now. That's a great fish.
Eat my chatterbait. Or you could have been here in the tournament.
It's a good one.
Did you count her?
2.5,
2.5, 3.
3, yeah.
Oh, just deflected really every rock. What?
I would have been hung up in the middle out of there.
Yeah, Jake and mine were using like spinners and stuff. They're getting hung up. There's a fish. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Jeez. absolutely gone. Whew, wanted that sucker. There it is. It's another nice fish. 2 nice ones so far. She goes. Oh my God.
That sucker's long.
You think that's like a 3-pounder? Like
Oh, he's skinny.
2.5. I mean, like 3-pounder all spawned out and everything.
Thanks.
These are some good fish.
So there are fish here. The helicopter lure just wasn't doing it.
I think it's June bugs.
Why do you think it's
Because they always eat stuff like this. Like, you always see them on plants and stuff.
Cheers.
As soon as that happened, my rod went boom.
You get them out right away.
Yeah, he took me all the way.
That time?
Oh, I'm getting him. Power him through. Flip him. Oh, okay. Need a break. Need a break. Flip him. Oh my God.
That's a 4-pounder almost. That thing's huge.
Stop it. I want to weigh you, kind of. Ouch! You little son of a gun. Stop it.
That thing's got to be pushing 4, I think.
Oh my gosh.
All the way from back to there, too.
I skied him across the pad somehow, too. I kind of want to weigh him. Oh my gosh. I'm going to weigh him real quick. I just want to see what he is.
3.5 anyway.
At least, yeah. Ow. Ow. No way.
What does it say?
308.
3.08. I think our scale is messed up.
308. It doesn't look 308, but oh gosh, that is a good one. Woo! Take that, Jake, for big fish. Let's get the release right back into the pads.
It's much bigger than that.
Ooh!
All right, well, you saw the video. I guess you could call it a success because we did catch one on the helicopter lure, but overall it didn't work out as we thought it was going to be. I don't know if you can see the line here at all, or maybe you can see it in his spool, how twisted up it is. So in theory, what's supposed to work is this swivel here, and this turns like this, so your line doesn't twist. Well, that wasn't working, and the line twisted all up, and I was getting backlash, and finally you see in the video how it snapped off and I lost my helicopter lure. We did catch one, so you can catch fish on them. I think you just need to tweak maybe some of the components and you will do better than we did, of course. But so here's what we're gonna do. Easton, what are we gonna do?
Since we have the components to one, we are going to give away these 2 packs, and whoever comments first that they want them, we'll ship them out to you, cover the shipping and everything, and you can see if you can do better than we could.
Yeah, like you said, first person to comment, we'll ship them out, and then see if you can catch some fish on them. Again, we'd appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. If you like fishing, tournaments, challenges, kind of cool little stuff like this, hit that subscribe button, like, share our videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
And comment what else you want us to do, like old lures or...
Yeah, if there's something else you'd like to see us try, comment below, and we'll see what we can do.